are you? Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do playing with numbers. First is factors and multiples. You have already studied but the factors of multiple in the previous class. In this chapter, the same concept shall be recapitulated and the new one learn. You know that the number 12 is divisible by 3, but 3 is not the only number that can divide 12. 4, 6, 1 and 12 are the other number which can divide 12 too. All these numbers are the factor of 12. So 12 के factors क्या हो जाएंगे? 12 के factor हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers divide 12 exactly. So these numbers are called the factor of that number. Hence the factor of the number can exactly divide the number and the number is called the multiple of any of the factor. जो number होगा वो क्या होगा? Multiple होगा. बाकी सारे नंबर जो कि उसके फैक्टर हैं उसका मल्टीपल होगा. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस टेक अ नंबर 24. 24, 3 into 8, 6 into 4 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 1 into 24. So 3, 8, 6, 4, 2, 12 and 24. All these are the factors of 24 and 24 is the multiple of all these numbers. जो भी इसके फैक्टर हैं 24 उसका क्या होगा? Multiple. As you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 and 12 can divide 24 exactly. Hence they are the factor of 24. ये सारे नंबर क्या होंगे? All these are the factors of 24 and 24 is the multiple of all these numbers. So 24 is the multiple of each of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Clear? Next, quick funda. Note that the factors of colored and underlined factors are the same and only their position is changed. As such, the moment any factor is to repeat itself, stop your operation. For example, in case of factor of 64. So 1 into 64 gives you 64, 2 into 32, 4 into 16, 8 into 8. So here 16 repeat हो रहा है. So we will stop the operation here only. Stop here at 16 because the factor of 16 has already been arrived at. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हम operation को stop कर देंगे. A by multiply 16 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we obtain the multiple of 16. The multiple of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64 and 80. Multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100 and 125. Multiples of 40, 40, 80, 120, 160 and 200. So all these are multiple of the given numbers. Next is different type of number according to their factors or multiples. First is even number. The number which are divisible by 2 are called even number. All the number which can be exactly divided by 2 are called even number. The unit digit of such number is always a multiple of 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 48, 576. All these are even number. जिनमें भी unit place पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ये numbers होंगे. All these are numbers are even number. Next are odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called the odd numbers. All the numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are called odd number. The unit digit of such a number is always odd. सभी number में क्या होगा? Unit place पे क्या होगा? Odd number such as 1, 3, 5, 9. ये क्या है? सारे odd numbers हैं. Like 15 है तो unit place पे क्या है? 5, here 1, 3, 7. So all these are odd numbers. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers कौन से होंगे? The number which are exactly divisible by 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Or in other words we can say the numbers which have only two factor 1 and the number itself are called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, all these are prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. The numbers which has more than two factor are called composite number. For example, 6, 12, 28, 32, 9, 14, etc. All these are composite number because they have more than two factors. Next are co-primes. If two number do not have any common factor other than 1, से दो नंबर जिसमें 1 के अलावा कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होगा, they are called co-prime numbers. Then the number are said to be co-prime numbers with respect to each other. For example, 3 and 7, 7 and 12, 13 and 24, 8 and 15, all these are co-prime numbers. Some important observations. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 ना तो prime है ना ही composite. The number 2 is the smallest prime number and also the only even number that is prime. 2 smallest prime number है and also it is the even number that is prime. Two prime number are always co-prime, but co-prime may not be prime numbers. For example, 8 and 15, they are co-prime, but both of them are composite number. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि co-prime हो, it should be prime number also. 7 and 12 are co-prime, but only 7 is a prime number and 12 is a composite number. Next activity. Greek mathematician Aristophanes in the 3rd century BCE. Let us see the method. Let all the number from 1 to 100 as shown below. So Greek mathematician ने एक method दिया था prime number को find करने का. So this activity is given here and you have to perform it by yourself. So first is cross out 1 because it is not prime number. कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? 1 को cross करेंगे because 1 is neither prime not composite. In circle 2, cross out all the multiples of 2. सबसे पहले 2 को सर्कल कर लेंगे और 2 के जितने भी मल्टीप्लाई हैं उनको क्रॉस कर लेंगे. Other than 2 itself, 4, 6, 8 and so on, all the multiples of 2 will cross it. You will find that the next uncrossed number is 3. Encircle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3. 3 को हम क्या करेंगे? सर्कल और 3 के जितने मल्टीपल है उसको हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. The next uncrossed number is 5. Encircle 5 and cross out all the multiple of 5 other than 5 itself. Continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircle or cross out. All the encircle numbers are prime number. जितने भी नंबर सर्कल में होंगे they are prime numbers. All the cross out number other than 1 are composite number. This method is called sieve of Aristophanes. So try this method by yourself and you will find all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Try these. Observe 2 into 3 plus 1 gives you 7. That is a prime number. Here 1 is added to the multiple of 2 to get a prime number. Can you find some more number of this type? If you multiply 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 is a prime number. So this way you can try with other numbers or multiple of 2 and find the prime number. Clear? Next is result. All the circle number of the prime numbers and they are only 25 between 1 to 100. जितने भी नंबर हमने sieve of Aristophanes में किए थे between 1 to 100 they are 25 क्या थे? Prime number. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 79. All these are prime number. Other than this, इसके अलावा जितने भी नंबर हैं वो क्या होंगे? Composite number. All the cross number except 1. 1 को छोड़ के बाकी जितने भी नंबर हमने क्रॉस किए थे वो क्या होंगे? Composite number. Obviously there are 74. So 74 क्या हो जाएंगे? Composite number and 25 हो जाएंगे prime number between 1 to 100. The number 1 is though crossed out, not a composite number as already explained. The above process of finding the prime number less than the given number is called the sieve of Eratosthenes in honor of the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. Number 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Number 2 क्या है? सबसे छोटा prime number है and it is also even. All other prime numbers are odd. All other prime numbers are odd. A number greater than 1 is either a prime or has a factor which is prime. For example, 12 equals to 1 into 12 equals to 1 into 2 into 6 or 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. All will give you 12. Finally, only the prime can 1 will be left as factors. Clear? There is a statement which says that every even number greater than 2 can be expressed as the sum of prime number. For example, 8 equals to 3 plus 5. Both 3 and 5 are prime number. The statement is called Goldbach's conjecture. It is the conjecture because it has not yet been proven. इसको अभी प्रूव नहीं किया गया है. Prime numbers such as 5 and 7 that differ by 2 is called twin prime. Two prime numbers which differ by 2 are called twin prime. Mathematicians believe that there is an infinite number of pair of twin prime. Clear? बहुत सारे ऐसे नंबर है जो twin prime है. Here are more example for you. Example लेते हैं. Express each of the following number as the sum of 2 odd prime. Sum of 2 odd prime पे करना है 32. So we'll write 3 and 29. 3 is prime and 29 is also prime number. So how we'll do it? Steps. Take the smallest odd prime which is 3. सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा जो prime number है that is odd is 3. Now work out the difference of 32 and 3. Then हम क्या करेंगे? 32 में से 3 subtract करके देखेंगे. That will give you 29. So 29 plus 3 gives you 32. So we can express 32 as the sum of 2 prime numbers. Clear? इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सारे एग्जाम्पल भी प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे मूव करते हैं, क्विक फंडा. There can be more than one right answer to the above question. For example, 5 plus 7 plus 23 also equals to 35. तो इसके एक से ज़्यादा आंसर भी हो सकते हैं. Some properties of factors and multiples. Property 1. If A is the factor of B and B is the factor of C, then A is the factor of C. अगर A B का फैक्टर है और B C का है तो A C का भी फैक्टर होगा. For example, we know that 3 is the factor of 9 and 9 is the factor of 27. So 3 will be the factor of 27. Clear? Property 2. If A and B are prime, the both are factors of a number C. Then their product A into B is also the factor of C. दो प्राइम नंबर है, A और B दोनों ही प्राइम है. बोथ आर द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर. वो किसी नंबर के फैक्टर हैं, दोनों ही प्राइम नंबर. सो जो उनका प्रोडक्ट होगा A इंटू बी इज ऑल्सो द फैक्टर ऑफ C. एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. वी नो दैट 3 and 5 आर प्राइम एंड बोथ आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 30. 3 और 5 दोनों ही प्राइम नंबर है और दोनों 30 के फैक्टर हैं. उनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा यानी 3 इंटू 5 15, that will be also the factor of 30. Clear? Property 3. If A is the factor of two numbers B and C, अगर A किसी दो नंबर का फैक्टर है, suppose B and C का फैक्टर है, then A is the factor of their sum B plus C, यानी उनके सम का भी फैक्टर होगा. We know that 2 is the factor of 16 and 32. दोनों का फैक्टर है 2. Therefore, it 2 must be the factor of 16 plus 32, that is 48. When checked, we find that 2 is the factor of 48 also. Property 4. If A is the factor of two number B and C, then A is also the factor of B minus C. अगर A किसी दो नंबर का फैक्टर है, सपोज B और C है, तो उनका जो डिफरेंस होगा वो उसका भी फैक्टर होगा. For example, 2 is the factor of 32 and 16. Therefore, 2 must be the factor of 32 minus 16, that gives you 16. When checked, we find 2 is the factor of 16. Clear? Next, some important observations. A natural number that exactly divides a given number is called the factor of given number. The number is said to be the multiple of any of its factor. Multiple of any number can get by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. The prime numbers has only two factors, namely 1 and itself. The composite number has at least one factor other than itself and 1. Next, learning target 2.1. Computational thinking. Write all the factors of each of the given number. First is 19. As we know, 19 is a prime number, so it has only two factors, 1 and number itself, that is 19. Clear? All the other question you have to practice by yourself. Next is test of divisibility. How we will check that the given number is divisible by a number or not? For that, divisibility test is given. There are some shortcuts for determining whether one number is divisible by another number. This method is called test of divisibility, as shown below. Divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. How will check whether the given number is divisible by 2, 5 and 10? So, the divisibility rule for 2 is, if the last digit means ones की place पे जो digit है, that should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. For example, 10 ones की place पे क्या है, 0, 22, 2 is at ones place, here 4 is at one place, 6 and 8. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. For 5, the unit digit should be 0 or 5. Like for example, 20 and 35, both have 0 and 5 at unit place. So this number is divisible by 5. For 10, unit place पे क्या होना चाहिए, 0. For example, 30, 40 are divisible by 10. Next is divisible by 3 and 9. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. अगर जो भी नंबर दे रखा है उसकी डिजिट का सम 3 से डिविजिबल है, दैट मीन्स द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. 48 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 बिकॉज 4 plus 8 gives you 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So that number will be divisible by 3. 9, the same. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. 63 is divisible by 9. 6 plus 3, 9, that is divisible by 9. Next is divisibility by 4 and 8. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digit is divisible by 4. अगर last की 2 digit है वो 4 से divisible है, that means the number is divisible by 4. 148 is divisible by 4 due to the last two digit, that is 4 and 8. 48 is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit are divisible by 8. Last की 3 digit अगर 8 से divisible है, that means the number is divisible by 8. 4325 is not divisible by 8 due to the last 3 digit, that is 325 is not divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of odd digit in the odd place and the sum of digit in the even place is equals to 0 or is the multiple of 11. 11 से नंबर कब डिविजिबल होगा, जब जो डिजिट ऑड प्लेस पे उनका सम और जो डिजिट इवन प्लेस पे उनका सम करने के बाद उनका डिफरेंस निकाल लेंगे. either it is equals to 0 or multiple of 11, that means that number is divisible by 11. For example, consider the number. आपको नंबर दे रखा है 6732. सो सम ऑफ डिजिट ऑड प्लेस पे करेंगे, ऑड प्लेस पे क्या हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे 3 and 6, द सम इज 9 एंड इवन प्लेस पे हो जाएगा 7 and 2, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो 9 एंड द डिफरेंस इज 0. सो दिस नंबर इज divisible by 11. Same here, यहाँ पे ऑड प्लेस पे हो जाएगा 8 + 7 दैट इज 15 एंड इवन प्लेस पे हो जाएगा 1 + 3 दैट गिव्स यू 4 एंड द डिफरेंस इज 11. So the number is divisible by 11. Both of the above number are divisible by 11. In the first case the difference is 0 and in other case the difference is divisible by 11. Example 1. Test each of the following number for divisibility by 2, 3, 5 and 9. So first number हमारा है 672. First we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2. So we have to check the unit place पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 है कि नहीं. तो unit place पे क्या है 2. That means that number is divisible by 2. Next 3 की divisibility है तो हम क्या करेंगे, digit का sum करेंगे, that is 6 + 7 + 2 that is 15. That means that number is divisible by 3. 672 is not divisible by 5 since the large digit is not 5 or 0. 5 से डिवाइड करने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, यूनिट प्लेस पे either it should be 0 or 5. 672 is not divisible by 9 since 6 + 7 + 2 that gives you 15 is not divisible by 9. So this way we can check whether the given number is divisible by other number or not. Clear? Next is palindromic numbers. The palindromic numbers is one which read as the same forward or backward. आगे से रीड करें या पीछे की साइड से रीड करें, सेम रीड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 121, 2332 etc. All these are palindromic number. Can you show that all palindromic number with an even number of digit are divisible by 11? For example, take this number. 4 digit number है, that means even number of digit है. अगर हम सम करेंगे ऑड प्लेस पे करेंगे 3 + 2 5, इवन प्लेस पे करेंगे 3 + 2 5. देयर डिफरेंस इज 0. सो दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. यू कैन ट्राई दिस विथ अदर नंबर्स ऑल्सो. You can create your own palindromic number using addition. Pick up a number 245, then reverse its digit to create a new number, that is 542. Reverse कर दिया तो क्या हो गया 542. Next add the number 245 plus 542, that is 787. You have created a palindromic number. Sometime you'll have to keep reversing and adding to create the palindromic number. For example, 67 plus 76, that is 143. Then 143 उसका रिवर्स क्या हो जाएगा, उसका ऐड करेंगे 341 को, that will give you 484. So this way you can create your own palindromic numbers. Some important observations. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. The number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit in odd place and the sum of its digit in even place is either 0 or the multiple of 11. Next, learning target 2.2. Computational thinking. For the following statement, write true के लिए T लिखना है और false के लिए F. First statement is, if a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. It is false. Clear? बाकी क्वेश्चन आपको खुद करना है. Next, prime factorization. Every natural number except 1 is either a prime number or a composite number. A composite number can be expressed as the product of two or more prime number which are called prime factors. Clear? The process of decomposition of composite number into prime factors is known as prime factorization. किसी भी composite number को उनके prime product के प्राइम नंबर के प्रोडक्ट के उसमें लिखना क्या कहलाता है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज नंबर इज 18, सो वी कैन राइट 2 into 3 into 3. ऑल दीज आर प्राइम नंबर्स. सो इनका प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा 18. 30, 2 into 3 into 5. सो 2, 3 and 5 आर कॉल्ड द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 30. A factor tree can be used to express the composite number as a product of its prime factor. The factor tree on your right illustrates the prime factorization of 210. Remember, every composite number has one and only one prime factorization. Prime factorization can be obtained by division method also. यहाँ पे factor tree method से दिया है 210 का, so we can write 21 into 10. So here both the number are composite number, so again we will factorize it and we can write 7 into 3. 7 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number, 10 we can write 2 into 5. So all these are prime number. So we will write the prime factorization of 210, that will be equal to 7 into 3 into 2 into 5. Clear? Prime factorization can be obtained by division method also. There is one or more method, that is division method. For example, find the prime factorization of 252. 252 का करना है. First method, factor tree method. So we'll write 2 into 126. 2 is a prime number, 126 is a composite number, so we'll factorize it again. So we'll write 2 as it is, लिख देंगे 2 into 63. Now 63 को करेंगे 3 into 21, then 21 को करेंगे 3 into 7. So from the above factor tree, we have the prime factorization of 252, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Next is division method. 252 को सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे सबसे छोटा कौन सा प्राइम नंबर है which can divide 252 exactly. So we'll divide it 2, it gives you 126. Again it can be divided by 2, will give you 63. Now it cannot be divided by 2, so we'll divide it with 3. Then it gives you 21. Again 3 से divide हो जाएगा, it will give you 7. 7 is a prime number, it will be divided by 7 only and it will give you 1. तो लास्ट में जब तक 1 नहीं आ जाता तब तक हम डिवाइड करते रहेंगे and we'll get the prime factors of 252. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Clear? Next, index notation. To be brief, we write 5 into 5 as 5 to power 2. 5 अगर 2 टाइम लिखा हुआ है 5 into 5, so we can write it also as 5 is to power 2 and read it as 5 square or square of 5. इसको हम 5 का स्क्वायर भी बोल सकते हैं या स्क्वायर ऑफ 5 भी बोल सकते हैं. 5 into 5 into 5 is written as 5 is to power 3 and read as 5 cube. अगर power 3 है that means कैसे रीड करेंगे 5 का cube or the cube of 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is written as 5 is to power 4 and read as 5 to the power of 4. Similarly, a into a 3 times है, we can write it as a is to power 3 and read as the cube or the cube of and so on. This index notation gives us the more precise method of expressing a factor of a number. For example, 12 है, so we can write 2 into 2 into 3. 2 times आया है, so we can write 2 is to power 2 into 3. 40 है, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 क्या है 3 times है, we can write 2 is to power 3 multiplied by 5. Clear? Next, some important observations. Expressing a number as the product of prime factor is called prime factorization. Expressing the prime factors in power form is called index notation. Next, learning target 2.3. Find the prime factorization of each of the following number. First is 48. 48 का prime factorization find करना है. So we'll use division method. 2 से divide करेंगे. 24 again it can be divided by 2. 2 is 6 again 2 से and 1. So prime factorization क्या हो जाएगा इसका 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 3, or we can write 2 is to power 4 into 3. Clear? All the other question you have to practice by yourself. Next is highest common factor or HCF. The highest common factor HCF of two or more given number is the greatest number which can divide all the given number. सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो गिवन नंबर को, जितने भी गिवन नंबर है उनको डिवाइड कर सकता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर और HCF. For example, consider the factor of 12 and 18. The factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factor of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The factor that are common to 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. ये क्या है, दोनों में common है. We have to find the HCF means highest common factor, that is 6. The greatest or highest of them is 6. Hence 6 is the highest common factor or HCF of 12 and 18. Clear? Next, method of finding the highest common factor. Of all method of finding HCF, the two commonly used method are the prime factorization method and the continuous division method. First method, the prime factorization method. For finding HCF 24 and 36, we shall proceed as under. 24 और 36 ऐसा नंबर जिससे दोनों नंबर डिवाइड हो सके. 2 है, 12 and 18. Again, both can be divided by 2. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 6 and 9. Now 3 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा, so it will give 2 and 3. Clear? So 1 is their only common factor. Stop here. अब दोनों नंबर में 2 और 3 में 1 के अलावा कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर देंगे. HCF क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 12. Since 2, 2 and 3 are the common factor. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 36 के हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So highest common factor क्या हो जाएगा of 24 and 36 is 12. The method of prime factorization is easy and short. Clear? Example लेते हैं. Find the HCF of the number in each of the following by prime factorization method. First is 47 and 61. 47 and 61. 1 is their common factor. दोनों में 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है, तो उनका HCF क्या हो जाएगा, 1. 47 and 61 are the prime number. As such have no common factor other than 1. तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा, 1. Next is continued division method. This method is suitable to obtain HCF of big numbers. To find the HCF of two numbers by this method, we perform the following step. Step 1, divide the greater number by the smaller number. Step 2, check the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the smaller number is the HCF. Otherwise, go to the step 3. Step 3 हो जाएगा, divide the smaller number by the remainder. Continues the process as long as the remainder obtained is not 0. जब तक कि remainder 0 नहीं आता, हम process को continue करेंगे. When the remainder becomes 0, the HCF is the last divisor. जो last divisor होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, HCF. When there are more than 2 numbers, अगर 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर हो तो क्या करेंगे, when we have to find the HCF of more than 2 numbers, follow the following steps. Step 1, find the HCF of 2 smaller number as explained above. Then find HCF of the number and the next number as so on. Example लेते हैं. Determine the HCF of each of the following number by continued division method. So 2 numbers are given, 392 and 1386. So greater number को हम क्या करेंगे, smaller number से divide करेंगे. So 1386 को 392 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 3 टाइम्स होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 210. अब जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा डिवाइजर, एंड ये जो डिवाइजर था ये बन जाएगा डिविडेंड. 392 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. 1 टाइम होगा, 210 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 182. 182 विल बिकम न्यू डिवाइजर एंड 210 बिकम डिविडेंड. सो 1 टाइम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 182. क्लियर? यहाँ से हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 182 और हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे 28. से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आ गया, यहाँ पे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारा आ जाएगा 28। अब 28 क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइजर 182 बन जाएगा, डिविडेंड 6 टाइम 168, 14, 28 यहाँ आ जाएगा, 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, एंड में क्या आ गया 0। सो लास्ट डिवाइजर वॉज 14। 14 क्या हो जाएगा इसका HCF of 392 and 1386 is 14, the last divisor. Clear? इस तरीके से हमें जो भी नंबर्स दे रखे हैं उनका HCF फाइंड करना है. Next, question involving remainder. Here is an example of remainder question. For example, find the largest number which divide 245 and 1029, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. Second, find the largest number that will divide 398, 436, 542, leaving the remainder 7, 11, 15 respectively. Solution क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट केस में क्या है, रिमाइंडर 5 है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे दोनों नंबर्स में से, मीन्स 245 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे एंड 1029 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. क्लियर?